How's it going, YouTube? Sorry it's a little windy right now, but I was in the process of changing the headlight bulb on this 2008 Honda Fit because the high beam stopped working, and just decided to record, make a video on how to do it. And I was already in the process. I already took out all the little pieces holding it. All it is this plastic. Pry it up, and then you just keep pulling it up, and it just comes out like that. Oh, don't worry, we'll get that. Then you want to pop the bumper off the sides, just pops right off. This thing too. And pull the bumper down. Just be careful if you have fog lights, because the wire might break. Anyways, here's our clip for the bumper. Alright, then you're gonna need a 10mm socket. Just one bolt here, one bolt here, one more here, and the last one right there. So you want to take those off. Of course, that's it. They're not really tight on there, they're bolted onto plastic, so you can't really tighten them that much. See, it's already good to go. I'll get back to you when I finish unbolting these. Alright, I finished unbolting them, and this is just me, but I like to leave the bolt kind of where it goes. Sometimes it matters where the bolt goes, so right here, right across from it. Up here too, this one, just put it there. This one, and just in here. Alright, it's gonna be the same thing for the driver's side. Anyways, once you have that, just pulling it off. Then there's gonna be 3 wires for the signal lights, and then the actual headlight or headlight bulb, high beam bulb. What I just do, since they're so dirty and everything, I just twist, let it hang on the side. This one, just pull off, and then this one, you can press the button. It won't be as dirty. It shouldn't be. Alright. Let me just show you on this headlight. It's gonna be the same on the other one. So we just pull this boot off, for the dust and the water or anything, so it won't get in there. See how clean it is? Well, around it, and not this. Anyways, that little screw right there, just unscrew it, and just be careful, because this is held down by the screw, so it can just pop out. Just take it out slowly, and then watch. See the tension, and try to hold it. See, almost popped off. Anyways, you can kind of see how it goes. This flat part goes under the screw, and then in the front, this little hook goes right under this, right there. It'll go just like that. Alright, and you pull it off. I mean, it looks good, but you see that one side that's burnt. The left side, the right side's chrome. So I'm gonna go get the headlight, the bulbs I left inside. Alright, I'm back with the bulbs, and these don't matter where they go. It's for both sides, but see, it has one way to fit in there, and we'll get the puzzle right there. It is. Alright, now you want to get the little retainer, put the flat part under the screw, and then hit this part in there, and then tighten it. There we go. Alright, now put the boot back on there. And it's the exact same thing for the driver's side. Then, you know, put the headlight back on, plug it in, bolt it on, put the bumper on, put the 4 clips that go on there, 2, 4, then hope it works. Thank you for watching. This is a 2007 to 2008 Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.